miesiąc. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday and I just started my vlog. I didn't do vlog yesterday guys because I feel so sick. When I was woke up, I feel so uneasiness and my head is really aching so badly. And I feel so tired. So I didn't do anything yesterday. I just stayed in our bed and I didn't do anything, to be honest. I don't know guys if I already told you that I already take the meds that my dermatologist suggested on me. It was already 3 days and I don't know if that is one of the effect that you will be like having this. But now I'm still observing myself because to be honest until now my head is aching. So I'll just observe myself. If it's today and until tomorrow I'll be like this, I will be contacted my dermatologist and ask why I feel this, or is it normal, or I should, I should bear with it. I don't know. To be honest, I don't want to go to my Polish class, but yeah, I decided it's only 1 hour. Get to it, Michelle.
Bardzo dobrze. Michelle, a co robił twój mąż?
Twój mąż, that's okay. Zeszłym zeszłym miesiącu, byliśmy w Asia restauracji? Is that
tak.
Okay. I robiłam, how would you say I made a video? Robiłam video?
Tak. W sumie tak, albo kręciłam, albo robiłam video.
Tak.
Kręciłam.
can see, I am preparing myself because we will go out. So actually yesterday we changed the railings of our curtains and it's already done. So today we'll go to Brico. Brico is a hardware here. So we can buy also some curtains there. Actually last time we already went there and I already choose a color, but I don't know if I will stick on that or I will change it. It's so cold today, guys. Super. I will go home now. That's why it's cold.